Hello and welcome back, everybody. Now that we've been practicing counting all the way up to 100, everyone should be pretty good with that. So today we're going to start off a little differently. Instead of doing tally marks all the way to 100, we're going to write out our numbers counting by 5s to 100. 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay? So I'm going to give you a minute to write that. On your mark, get set, go. If you don't remember them, you can copy them as I write them. Nice job. Let's count by 5s. You ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Nice job. Let's do that one more time as I erase it. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Nice job. The next thing I'd like you to do is write out your 10s all the way to 100. So count by 10s, 10, 20, 30, all the way up to 100. On your mark, get set, go. Nice job. Let's count by 10s. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Let's do that one more time as I erase it. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Nice job. The next thing I'd like you to do is to write your numbers backward from 20. 20, 19, 18, all the way to 0. I'm going to give you 30 seconds. On your mark, get set, go. Nice job. Let's count backwards. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Nice job. Let's do it again as I erase it. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Nice job, everybody. All right, the very next thing we're going to do is write out our 2s up to 24. I'm going to give us a minute. If you don't remember how to count by 2s, that's okay. You can just copy from the screen as I write them. On your mark, get set, go. Nice job. Let's count by 2s. Are you ready? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Let's do that again. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Nice job. All right, go ahead and get your pencil or your marker ready. I am going to tell you a 3-digit number. I would like you to write it. 196. 196. Here we go. 196. Nice job. Here's your next one. 143. 143. 143. And your last one, 157. 157. 157. Nice job. I would like you to write these in expanded form. When you write them in expanded form, you split up each part of the number. So 100 plus 90 plus 6. I'm going to give you 30 seconds to do the last two numbers. On your mark, get set, go. Nice job. We're going to split that up. 100 plus 40 plus 3. Nice job. This next one is 100 plus 50 plus 7. Go ahead and check your work. Now I'm going to go ahead and erase my board, and as I do, I'm going to count by twos. Okay, so we can practice that. You can say them out loud with me. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Nice job. The next thing I'm going to do is give you 3 addition problems. First, we have 48 plus 16. Next, we have 34 plus 72. Finally, we have 87 plus 91. I'd like you to write those problems down, and I'm going to give you a minute to add them. Don't forget to regroup and carry when you need to. On your mark, get set, go. You have about 30 seconds. Nice job. I'm going to go ahead and solve these. Here I'm going to circle the 8 because it's the bigger number. Touch it, say 8, and then count on my 6. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I'm going to put down my 4. I'm going to regroup and carry my 1. I'm going to circle my 4, 4, 5, 6. My answer is 64. Go ahead and check your work. Here, I'm going to circle my 4 first. 4, 5, 6. I do not have to regroup. I'm going to circle my 7, 7, 8, 9, 10. Because these are the last numbers, I'm going to write the whole number down here, and now I'm going to read it. 106. Nice job. Here I'm going to circle my 7, 7, 8. I do not have to regroup. Here I'm going to circle my 9 because that's bigger. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Because they're my last two numbers, I put the whole 17 down, and my answer is 178. Nice job. Go ahead and check your work. See how you did. I appreciate you working so hard. Next, we're going to work on our subtraction. So while I erase this, I'm going to count by twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. One more time. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Nice job. Now I'm going to go ahead and give you 3 subtraction problems. It will be up to you to determine whether or not you have to borrow. Remember, if the big number is on the bottom when you circle it, you need to borrow. So your first problem is 73 minus 15. Your next one is 68 minus 16. And finally, we have 48 minus 29. I'm going to give you a minute and 30 seconds to go ahead and answer these since we have 3 of them today. On your mark, get set, go. You have about 20 seconds. Nice job. All right, here we go. I'm going to circle my 5 because it's bigger than my 3. Big numbers on the bottom, so I have to borrow. Big bottom, borrow. I'm going to put a 1 in front of my 3. I'm going to cross off my 7 and make it a 6. Let's review that one more time. I'm going to circle my 5. Big bottom, borrow. I have to make the 3 bigger, so I put a 1 in front to make it a 13. I cross off my 7 and make it a 6. Now I'm going to count backwards. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Here I'm going to circle my 6, count backwards, 6, 5. My answer is 58. Here I'm going to circle my 8. The big number's on the top, so I don't have to do anything except subtract. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Nice job. Here I'm going to circle my 6, 6, 5. My answer is 52. Finally, I'm going to circle my 9 because it's the biggest number. It's on the bottom, big bottom, borrow. So I have to make the 8 an 18. I'm going to cross off my 4 and make it a 3. Now this is why we practice counting backwards from 20. If you don't know how to count backwards from 20, you might make a mistake here. That's why we practice it. Here we go. 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. 18 minus 9 is 9. Here I'll circle my 3, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. My answer is 19. I'm going to go ahead and erase that. And as I do, I'm going to count by twos. Go ahead and check your work one more time to see how you did. And if you made a mistake, can you figure out what your mistake was? Because when you make a mistake, it's just a chance for your brain to learn something. No worries. Here we go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Nice job. The very last thing we're going to do today is practice your shapes. I would like you to draw a pentagon. A pentagon. Do you remember how many sides a pentagon has? A pentagon has 5 sides, just like a home plate. It has 5 sides and 5 vertices, which are the corners. Nice job. Next, can you draw a triangle? How many sides does a triangle have? 3. Nice job. It also has 3 vertices. Next, can you draw a circle? A circle has 0 sides and 0 vertices. Next, can you draw a rectangle? Nice job. A rectangle has 4 sides and 4 vertices. In each vertice, it makes a perfect corner. And we know it's a rectangle because the opposite sides are the same length. Finally, can you make a trapezoid? A trapezoid looks like a triangle with the top cut off. We have a flat top, a flat bottom that is longer than the top, and then we connect the 2 sides. A trapezoid has 4 sides and 4 vertices, but it does not have perfect corners like a rectangle. Nice job, everybody. Thank you so much for all your attention today. Don't forget there's extra work available after the video. You have a good rest of your day, and we'll see you next time.